So today we are going to speak about something called containerization. So containerization is all about how do you ship the application that you have designed for your business and ship it to the production or to the servers so that it can run. So you use containerization to deploy this. So containerization uses something called an image. So we normally store the images on the Docker, on the registries. Like one of them is called Docker Hub. So after you store the image, you can now be able to pull the image from the Docker Hub to your own local machine. The benefit of using containerization, vis-a-vis virtualization tools like VirtualBox is that containerization normally you just deploy the application. You don't deploy an operating system. So the Docker, like for example, Docker comes with its own, in its underlying setup it has an OS, so you don't need to put another OS on top of the Docker. So today I want us to speak more on something called Kubernetes. So Kubernetes is a tool that is responsible for orchestration, container orchestration. So what is container orchestration? Container orchestration is where you create containers, like you deploy containers on nodes. So normally it's able to scale up much easily, and you're able to identify problems easily, because when you use orchestration, it is able to know like a specific pod is not working well, and you're able to troubleshoot easily. That's some of the benefits. Also in terms of installation and scalability is easier using orchestration tools like Kubernetes. So I will do a dive on that, how to set up, and also how to set up, and also how to use Kubernetes as a starter, as a beginner, as you move on towards being an expert in Kubernetes, because right now the scale of how we are not supposed to deploy software updates and everything, you have Kubernetes is one of the best tools to use to deploy those updates using it has a technology called pods. So use pods to deploy those applications that you need in your software, in your production. Any updates to the software, after you update, now you use Docker tools, use containerization tools to deploy it to the servers. We'll dive into this. Yeah, keep updated.